Hello, I'm very happy to be with Vicky Mabin, and I'd like her to tell me what her theory of constraints journey has been, when did it start, and what's happened since.
Okay, it started in 1986 when I read the goal, and I thought, oh no, I'd trained as an operations research scientist before that, and I could see that a lot of what was in the goal was undoing or negating half of what I'd learnt in the operations research. I applied it in a company in Expoze International in New Zealand, had a massive effect on them, turned them around, and then I've just used it in my consulting since then, and then since 1991 I've been in the university system and teaching.
University of Wellington?
Victoria University of Wellington, in Wellington, New Zealand. And so in that time I've then gone on to learn the thinking processes and apply them and do bibliographic stuff, so surveying the TOC, what's been published in applying the goal. TOC.
The World of Theory of Constraints, which is a book people, without sometimes realizing it, often refer to, because it's a compilation of the results obtained by 82 companies in the world at that time.
And then we've done so I've been supervising students and teaching and researching and helping companies and organisations on the way through.
Yeah, so you become the passing point for anybody in that part of the world in their theory of constraints journey. Everybody knows who Vicky is. Thank you very much. Thank you.